Hey there, sleepyheads. Tonight, let's unwind with a soothing ASMR bedtime story. Once upon a time, in a serene forest nestled beneath starlit skies, there lived a wise old owl named Hootie. Hootie was known far and wide for his gentle wisdom and calming presence. Every night he would perch on his favorite oak tree and tell tales that lulled the woodland creatures into peaceful slumber. Tonight, Hootie tells the story of Luna, the adventurous squirrel who journeyed to the moon on a magic acorn. With each whispered word, imagine the soft rustling of leaves and the faint twinkle of stars above. As Luna soared through the cosmos, she discovered that the moon was made of cheese, delicious moon-shaped cheese that sparkled in the moonlight. She shared her cheesy feast with friendly moon mice and danced among moonflower fields until the sun gently nudged her awake. Remember, dear listeners, as you drift into dreams, may your sleep be as sweet as Luna's moon cheese adventure. Close your eyes, relax, and let the whispers of the night carry you away. If you enjoyed this whispered tale, please like and subscribe for more bedtime ASMR stories.